Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the MyCarbon Face and Body Sculpting Massager. It's the model BCE1. That's really cool because this gives us joy and much healthier status for our skin, of course. The BCE1 is used for a stimulating skin massage on various parts of the body. It can be used by adults and it can be used under supervision by children over 8 years of the age. This here comes for your health, for your body health. The BCE1 is used for a vacuum capping skin massage on various parts of our body. For example, arms, legs, abdomen, and buttocks. Its unique negative pressure absorption in combination with a red light can help to improve the skin vitality, elevate the cellulite, and stimulate the muscle movement. With the face mode, and with no cap attached, it stimulates our face muscles with the electrical impulse. The electric impulse makes muscle contract at a faster muscle with the impulse itself, and it will relax after this, which activates collagen production and makes the skin softer. It tones and lifts, reduces the wrinkles and fine lines. The device is not intended for medical therapeutic use, of course. It is not suitable for clinics, massage parlors, wellness studios, etc. The massage device is not for medical device and is not intended for the treatment of pain. In case of doubt or uncertainty, we consult our doctor before we use it. The BCE1 can be used by anyone over 8 years. Only use the device for the purpose for a skin, for a body skin, for example, with the attachment, or for skin in our face without the attachment. Because we have on the device itself the EMS tips and a filter underneath. We have on the control side a power and a mode button for face or body, switch or on or off. Then we have an emergency release button in the center, the EMS level button, and a LiPo level button for the pump. We have a big suction cap included or a small suction cap. The big suction cap is for large areas. The small is for more targeted areas too. We have a Type-C charging cable, which we can use on a computer, on a laptop, on a tablet, or an AC adapter or a smartphone to reload this device. EMS means electrical pulse current that stimulates the muscle contractions. LiPo means stimulating the muscle movement for lifting and shaping effect. First, before we can start, we have to charge the battery, of course. We connect a supplied USB cable to a charging socket and establish a power connection. And then we can start after reloading that. We choose the cap according to the size of the area to be treated. Gently place the suction cap onto and make a 30 degrees angle. Remember the pointing mark on the cap is to the lower right corner. And we twist the cap clockwise until a click sound pointed mark is in the middle of the device. Job's done. We are ready for operation. We press the power button to start the device. We press once again to switch mode between body mode and face mode. Under body mode, then we can press the LiPo button to adjust the suction level with related indication illuminated. The suction level will change in the sequences by further pressing the LiPo button. At introduce it starts with level 1. Gradually increase the level as the body becomes acclimated to suction simulate. Level 1, level 2, level 3, or suction off. Then we can press the EMS button to adjust the EMS level with related indications illuminated. The EMS will have a level, of course. It changes to level 1, level 2, level 3, and EMS off. Under the face mode, only EMS is activated. No suction will be generated. We use the device without either cap. Once the setting area are desired, firmly place the cup against our body and keep a slow movement with that. It is advised to apply cream, lotion, body oil in the targeted treatment area to have a smooth movement on the body and less electric shock feeling caused by the EMS. The treatment time is recommended as 2 up to 3 minutes per area every day. The maximum 30 minutes to cover the whole body. We do not overuse the maximum of 5 minutes in one area. It is normal for skin to turn red after the usage, which will disappear after 1 day of no usage. We during the usage keep a slow and continuous movement. Simply hold the device firmly against our body to prevent it from dropping. We do need to push it a little bit. We do not stay in one position for a long time because of the suction power. When both LiPo and EMS are on, we should feel both suction of the skin and electric shock, which is a normal phenomenon. If either become uncomfortable, we press the release button for immediately stop this device. We adjust the level to lower settings to restart it. Once done, we press the power button to turn off the device. The device included in auto shut off after 10 minutes are ready for next time. We simply twist cap anti-clockwise to remove it from the main unit, and then job's done. We have a good face and body sculpting massager by Mike Carbon here to let our skin shines like a diamond, baby. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.